I have made for you a pie chart that is containing the statistic that I'm going to talk about in this video. The pie chart here is the pie chart representing the performance ranking districts in the Acholi sub-region. The districts are categorized into best rank, moderately ranked, and worst rank, with distinct colors and exploded slices for the top ranked districts. And also I made for you a bar graph of this. You can see it. It's a bar graph that illustrates the performance ranking of districts in Acholi sub-region categorized by their national ranks. The colors represent different performances. Performance tiers: green for best rank, orange for moderately ranked, and red for worst ranked Acholi districts. So let's get to find out how your district has performed. Well, in the first category here, that statistic that has just come in the middle of this July indicates that the best ranked district, now we have made a categorization, like I told you before, into the best rank, moderately ranked, and then the worst rank. So the best ranked districts include Amur district, Noa district. Those are the best ranked districts. So what are inside Amur district and Noa district? In Amur district and Noa district, the reason as to why we have categorized them at top is you realize that they are first in Acholi sub-region, which the 10th nationally, meaning they're number one in the Acholi sub-region. But when you take it to Uganda, Amur district is number one in terms of the general performance. And the only remark that can get there is Amur district scored 81 points. That's what you need to know. Amur district scored 81 points and significantly improved from its 2022 ranking of 141st nationality. So, nationally, it was number 141, but it climbed down to number 10. Imagine. This is the statistic that I've reported. So, this is what has come in, and this is what you need to know. And also, the second district in Acholi sub-region, which falls under best rank, is Noa district. Noa district is ranked second in Acholi sub-region and also is number 43 in the entire country. But what you need to know is it improved to 43rd position nationally from its 120th rank in 2022. In 2022, it was number 120. But now, Noa district came down to number 43. Those are the best ranked districts. The districts which are moderately ranked, in Acholi we call it Diere, in the middle. Now, this is how we see it. We have put them as moderately ranked, but then this is also the national statistics that boosted us to make it put there. Gulu city is number one on the moderately ranked district, and it is number 3 in the entire Acholi sub-region, but also goes up to number 75, that is 75th nationally. And also what you need to remember that you must not forget is Gulu district is ranked 75th because it scored 60 points. So 60 points made Gulu to be in the moderate position of number 75 countrywide, and then number 3 in the Acholi zone because of scoring 60 points. And also another district, which is the second district under the moderately ranked district by us, is the Gulu district, which was split away from Gulu city, if you know, or I think Gulu city was removed away from the Gulu district. It's ranked number 4 in Acholi sub-region, and then it is number 91 in the entire Uganda. So you need to know that it dropped from position 10 in 2022. You see, dropped to number 91 from 10th. Imagine, countrywide, Gulu district was only number 10, but it went backward up to number 91. You see, but in Acholi it is number 4. So that's what you need to know. Then the third district under the moderately ranked district is none other than Padi district, where General Paulo comes from. The rank in Acholi is number 5th in Acholi sub-region, and number 97 countrywide. It improved from number 97. It improved from number 119 in 2022 to number 97. A comment from one of the district leader from Padi district, that is Uchen Justin, Honorable Uchen Justin, who is also the vice chairperson of Padi district and Secretary of Health. He double sit as a Secretary of Health. Appreciated improvements in water, irrigation, environment, and micro-scale projects, but admitted poor performance in health and education due to understaffing. What Chen needs to know is there's also a security quagmire in Padi, where police disturbs borders a lot. In fact, the police in Padi goes to the extent of even stopping government vehicles. We know the government is the one responsible for servicing the government vehicles, so why would you stop it? What do you want? To be paid homage, respect, or what? So those are the things that needs to be addressed in Padi. Slowly it will go away. Number 4 under the moderately ranked district is the Kitgum Municipality. Kitgum Municipality is number 6 in Acholi sub-region, but also it takes a position of 104 nationally, ranked 104th with 52 points. Kitgum Municipality got 52 points, and that's why they are number 104 in the country and only number 6 in Acholi sub-region. Only, but it was not far from the tail, but they moderately performed due to the point. 52 points is not very bad. Then also we have Agago district, where the Chief Justice of Uganda hails from, that is Windolo Chigamoy. The home of the Windolo Chigamoy ranks at number 7th in Acholi sub-region and number 127 nationally. It improved from number 76 in 2022. You see, it improved from number 76 in 2022. So this is I think is a drop. It was number 76 in 2022, but has dropped to number 127 nationally. So those are the moderately ranked district. Let's look at the worst ranked district. I wish you could comment your suggestion before we get there. So here are the worst districts of Acholi. They are here. They are 1, 2, 3. 3 districts of Acholi are worst ranked due to the poor points that they got. Number 1 on the list of the worst ranked district in Acholi is Kitgum district. Kitgum district is ranked 8th in Acholi sub-region, but countrywide it is up to number 153, and it dropped to number 153 from number 135 in 2022. So it was a drop. They performed more worse than as compared 2 years ago, that's 2022. Then when we look at Umoro district, it is number 2 among the most worst performing district. Umoro district ranked number 9 in Acholi sub-region, and then in Uganda it is number 155. What you need to know about Umoro is Umoro dropped to number 155 from number 74 in 2022. So it's also a very devastating news for the people of Mo district. You need to make your leaders pull up their shocks. We need to see what those of Jacob Alanya were doing, happening also to what we need to see his son also pulling his hawks. That's what we need to know. Then number 3, which is also the worst district now in Acholi, is Lamoa district. The worst overall district is Lamoa district, ranked at number 10 in Acholi sub-region. Countrywide, it is number 164. Lamoa came last in Acholi sub-region, dropped to number 164 from number 140 in 2022. Now, some of you might have been wondering, why are there more than 8 districts in Acholi? As you already know, it is because of the presence of the municipality and the city, that is Kitgum municipality and then Gulu city. That's why you see ranking going up to 10. So number 1 district, which we congratulations on more district, where the strongest man, I think one of the best MPs from Acholi sub-region comes from, that is Honorable Gilbar is from, that is a more district. Congratulations. And also to Lamoa district, which is the worst, we hope you pull up your shocks. Thank you so much, and I believe you are subscribed. If you have done it, we will keep meeting on this channel. Bye bye.